Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the coconut bread. Let's get started. Heat up some water at medium heat. Add bread flour. Frequently check the temperature. When it's above 50 Celsius, the texture begins to thicken. Turn off the heat when the temperature reaches 65 Celsius and let it cool down. Add the bread flour into the stand mixer. Add some sugar. Dry yeast. Dry milk. Give a good mix. I will mix all the wet ingredients. 1 beaten egg, milk, double cream, mix the fluid with the dry ingredients. Add the starter and turn on the machine at low speed. A little salt. Add some softened unsalted butter in 3 times. At the beginning, the dough is wet and sticky. My machine takes 1 hour to make the texture strong and less sticky. Keep it in a warm place, let the dough proof for 2 hours. While waiting, I will make the bread filling. Softened salted butter, sugar, dry milk, coconut flour, coconut flakes, one egg yolk, double cream. Mix them well. The bread filling is finished. I will use the baking tin with a lid. Grease and flour the surface. After 2 hours, degas the dough. Make sure the width is the same as the baking tin. Roll out the dough to get 3 mm thickness. Add the coconut filling. Add some raisins. Tightly roll up the dough. Pinch and seal. Make sure the seam facing the bottom. Transfer it to the baking tin. Let it rest for 1 hour. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for 30 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the bread. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this coconut bread cost me less than $5. I'm going to enjoy my coconut bread with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.